If you want to log into your x.com or Twitter account, this video will walk you through the process step by step in the easiest way possible. Whether you're using a computer, laptop, or mobile browser, the login process is very simple once you know where to click and what information to enter. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this one. First, open your web browser and go to the official X website. You want to make sure you are on the real x.com login page, so always double check the web address before entering any personal information. Once the page loads, you should see the sign in option. Click on it to begin the login process. Next, X will ask you to enter your username, email address, or phone number. This is the account identifier connected to your profile, so type in the one you originally used when you created your account. If you remember your username, that works. If not, you can use the email or phone number linked to the account instead. After entering that information, click Next or Continue, depending on what appears on your screen. Now you'll be taken to the password step. Type your password carefully into the password box. Make sure your caps lock is not on, and double check for any typing errors because passwords are case sensitive. If you're on a shared device, take a moment to make sure no one else can see your login details. Once your password is entered correctly, click Log In or Sign In. If your details are correct, you should now be signed in to your X account and taken directly to your home feed, profile, or dashboard. From there, you can start browsing posts, checking messages, or posting your own updates. If you have trouble logging in, don't worry. The most common issues are entering the wrong email, username, or password, or accidentally using an old login method. In that case, use the Forgot Password option to reset your access and try again. You can also make sure you're using the official x.com website and not a fake page. And that's how to log in to your x.com or Twitter account in just a few easy steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.